Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best heater for aquarium you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best heater for aquarium on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which heater for aquarium are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Orlushy Submersible Aquarium Heater. Adjustable aquarium fish tank water heater, sensitive and reliable thermostat, maintains uniform temperature. Automatic shut-off when the temperature is reached. 500 watts aquarium heater is suitable for 40 to 75 gallons aquariums, voltage 110 to 120 volts, power cord is 6 feet. Please choose the right wattage aquarium heater according to our size chart. Large tanks necessitate more powerful heaters, and this 500 watt unit can keep tanks up to 100 gallons at a fish-safe temperature range of 68 to 89 degrees. It measures 13 inches long and must be completely submerged in water to function. If your tank isn't that deep, consider purchasing 2 smaller heaters. For a more even distribution of heat, experts recommend placing the heaters on opposite ends of the tank. The heat is controlled by a temperature control knob on the heater, and the red indicator light indicates that it is working. It comes with a 6-foot cord. 2 mm thickened quartz glass, can be used in freshwater and saltwater aquariums, easy to hide in the tank. For details, let's watch more. Our second best heater for aquarium is FreeSea Aquarium Heater. This heater's real-time temperature displayed in large, easy-to-read LED, you won't have to buy a separate thermometer. This fully submersible thermometer can heat the water in a tank of 1 to 10 gallons to temperatures ranging from 59 to 94 degrees Fahrenheit, making it an excellent choice for both saltwater and freshwater fish. Even better, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your tank is always at the proper temperature because the heater will automatically turn on if the tank water falls below the temperature you've set. This heater can also be installed on the tank's side or bottom for added versatility when designing your aquarium. The heating function turns on and off automatically as needed, and the temperature is controlled by a touch button on the cord. Avoid submerging the cord in water because this part of the heater is not waterproof. Before cleaning or changing the water in your fish tank, turn off the heater for at least 10 minutes. This heater is 100% submersible use only. During its heating time, heater must be 100% submerged into the water. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Eheim Jaeger Aquarium Thermostat Heater. This aquarium heater maintains the water temperature in your smaller aquarium up to 10 gallons in a healthy range of 65 to 93 degrees. If you notice the heater running slightly high or low, use the true temp dial to precisely recalibrate it by up to 8 degrees in either direction. It has a thermo safety control that will turn it off automatically if your tank runs out of water. The heater easily sticks to the side of your tank thanks to its dual suction cups. It's made of shatterproof and shock-resistant glass. Precisely regulated, constant water temperature is very important for the comfort and success of your aquarium inhabitants. The Jaeger True Temp Adjustable Heater is an ultra-modern electronic thermal device offering today's best technology. Designed for use in both freshwater and saltwater aquarium, Jaeger True Temp fully submersible heaters include these great features. Shatterproof glass construction. Made with laboratory-grade glass, True Temp heaters are free of pollutants, resistant to chemical and biological substances, and able to withstand extreme temperature fluctuations. Their glass jackets also enlarge the heating surface and ensure even heat distribution. Thermo safety control. This safety mechanism enables running dry protection. This convenient feature eliminates guessing and enables the user to verify heater function without getting their hands wet. Each Jaeger True Temp heater also includes a mounting bracket and suction cups for secure and flexible placement within your aquarium system. Lastly, an extra long power cord accommodates most applications. Fourth recommendation in our side is Marinabetta Fish Submersible Heater. The Marinabetta heater is an automatic, submersible water heater that creates ideal water conditions for bettas to thrive in. The exterior is made of durable polymer, which is more resilient than traditional glass sleeve heaters. The fish aquarium heater is designed to reach and maintain a set temperature for your aquarium water, no manual adjustments required. It has a red indicator light that illuminates when the heater is working. Marinabetta heater is an automatic, submersible heater that creates ideal water conditions for bettas to thrive in. The exterior is made of durable polymer, which is more resilient than traditional glass sleeve heaters. This thin, flat 8-watt heater is specifically designed for betta fish. It is safe to use in plastic or glass tanks up to 1.5 gallons in size and maintains water temperatures between 75 and 85 degrees. This heater lacks an on/off switch, but its red indicator light lets you know it's on. Unplug the tank and let it cool for 15 minutes before cleaning or replacing the water. The exterior is made of a more durable polymer than traditional glass, which you'll appreciate during cleanings. Last in our top 5 best heater for aquarium list is Hygger Fast Heating Aquarium Heat. Made of premium titanium material, covered with protective guard to prevent from scalding and punching, our submersible heater helps create the perfect water condition for your fish to thrive in tanks up to 180 gallons. The exterior temperature button control frees you from getting hands wet, and LED digital display is easy to read. 2 suction cups for easy installation. With a large, easy-to-read LED temperature display, you can always be certain that your fin friend's home is at the perfect temperature. The submersible heater is made of premium titanium and double sealed by a black protective guard, so your fish will not be burned if they come into contact with it, and the heater itself is resistant to explosion and corrosion. It has a run-dry protection feature that turns the unit off if the water level becomes too low. With an external temperature control, you won't have to get your hands wet to adjust the temperature. The 500-watt unit is designed for freshwater or saltwater tanks ranging in size from 60 to 120 gallons. Built-in one-temp probe, it detects the change of water temperature, heating up when temperature drop and maintain proper temperature.